When humid air rises, it expands, cools down, and small droplets form through condensation to develop clouds. Condensation occurs at the lifting condensation level. This is the level where saturation of the air occurs, or in other words, where the temperature of the air was chilled to the dew point. Clouds are visible aggregates of minute droplets of water, or tiny ice crystals, or a mixture of both. They form when air is saturated and contains particles, so-called condensation nuclei, such as microscopic dust, smoke, salt particles, and others. Clouds occur in an unlimited variety of sizes, shapes, and composition. Traditionally, clouds were subdivided into 4 classes, according to their appearance. Cirrus clouds are thin, wispy clouds of ice with a feathery appearance or delicate veil-like patches. Stratus clouds are layered clouds which appear as sheets or layers with no distinct individual cloud units. Cumulus clouds are globular individual cloud masses with vertical development and a cauliflower-like structure. And nimbus clouds are rain-producing clouds. Today's classification depends on the appearance and the height of the clouds. Examples for high clouds with a base above 6,000 meters are cirrus, cirrostratus, or cirrocumulus. Examples for middle clouds with a base between 2,000 and 6,000 meters are altostratus or altocumulus. And examples for low clouds with a base below 2,000 meters are stratus, stratocumulus, or nimbostratus. We also find clouds with extensive vertical development, such as cumulus or cumulonimbus. High clouds are composed of ice crystals only. Cirrus clouds are thin, delicate, fibrous ice crystal clouds with a wispy appearance due to low water content and cold temperatures. Fall streaks may appear below the cloud as ice crystals descend. Mare's tails are horizontal swirls which may occur in turbulent conditions. Cirrostratus clouds occur when cirrus clouds stretch across the sky. They form a thin sheet of ice crystal clouds and give the appearance of a milky sky. Cirrostratus clouds may form a halo around the sun or moon, as entering light is refracted by ice crystals. Cirrocumulus clouds occur due to thickening of cirrus clouds. They are causing ripples, waves, or a billowy appearance which resembles fish scales. The nickname for this phenomenon is a mackerel sky. Middle clouds are composed of liquid droplets and ice crystals. All middle clouds carry the alto prefix. Altostratus clouds are stratified veils of clouds which may produce very light rain. They typically are thick enough to almost fully obscure the sun or moon and blanket the sky from horizon to horizon. If the cover is thin enough, then the sun or moon can be identified as a bright spot, but without a halo. Altocumulus clouds are banded arrangements of billowy clouds which are white or gray and resemble sheepback clouds. Low clouds are normally composed of liquid water droplets. Stratus clouds form a low uniform layer which blankets large spatial areas. They resemble fog, but unlike fog, they do not rest on the ground. They have a shallow vertical extent of 0.5 kilometer to 1 kilometer. Nimbostratus clouds are an amorphous layer of dark gray clouds. They are one of the chief rain-producing clouds, which usually produce light precipitation. Stratocumulus clouds are soft gray clouds in globular patches or rolls. The rolls may join together and make a continuous cloud. They are low, layered clouds with some vertical development. Clouds with vertical development over 2 or more levels depend on high vertical wind velocities in air that is unstable or conditionally unstable. Cumulus clouds are dense billowy clouds, which are often characterized by flat bases. They can appear as isolated clouds or closely packed. A special form is cumulus humilis or fair weather cumulus. These clouds develop primarily from convection. They usually evaporate shortly after formation. Cumulus congestus clouds are characterized by a more organized development, as uplifted cells appear as cloud towers. The cells are short-lived, but are constantly replaced as each tower progresses higher than the previous one. Cumulonimbus clouds are towering clouds. They are the most violent of all clouds, as they are associated with heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, hail, lightning, or tornadoes. They indicate inherently unstable conditions. From base to top, they may extend fully through the troposphere, on rare occasions up to 20 kilometers. An anvil top may form as ice crystals are blown horizontally. Here are a few unusual clouds. Lenticular or lens-shaped clouds form as a result of turbulence downwind of mountain ranges. The formation of these altocumulus lenticularis clouds is the result of an undulating airflow on the lee side of mountains, which develops a wave pattern. Clouds form where the wavy flow causes air to ascend, whereas areas with descending air are cloud-free. Banner clouds are similar to the lenticular clouds, but they are anchored to individual mountain peaks. Mammatus clouds are characterized by sac-like protrusions from the base of a cloud, which indicate low-level turbulence in cumulonimbus clouds. Nacreous clouds appear in the stratosphere. They are also called polar stratospheric clouds or mother-of-pearl clouds. They are composed of supercooled water or ice. Noctilucent clouds form in the cold summer polar mesosphere and are typically illuminated after sunset. They are most probably composed of ice crystals. The cloud coverage is usually expressed in terms of how many tenths of the sky are covered by clouds. If clouds cover more than 9/10 of the sky, it is called overcast. If clouds cover between 6/10 and 9/10 of the sky, it is called broken. If clouds cover between 1/10 and 6/10 of the sky, it is called scattered. And if clouds cover less than 1/10 of the sky, it is called clear.